Okay, Pumpkin, are you ready? Come here, let's walk the course. Come. Come. Alright, so the first thing we have here is our homemade jump with the jump cups we got from eBay, but everything else we built with parts from Home Depot. Pumpkin is expecting it for regulations. Then we have the tunnel, which was Pumpkin's Christmas present. She's also inspecting it to make sure it's regulation. Then the tire. How's the tire? Does it look good? Then the weave poles, which I forgot the training guides at home, so we're gonna have to make do without that. And then finally we jump over the last homemade jumps. So as you can see, this is a multi-part event. Are you ready, Pumpkin?
Take a treat. Sit. 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 Down. 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 Stay.